Hey everyone, welcome to Arts and Crafts with Tammy. Today I'm going to be making wall art for my bedroom. For this project I used pine wood, peel and stick wallpaper, and 1/4 inch tempered hardboard or masonite. First I cut the wood to the size of the frames I wanted. Then I aligned them to decide which pieces fit together the best for each frame. Once I determined that, I marked them with either A or B, as you can see in the video. After that, I put primer on 3 of the sides. I didn't primer or paint the sides that will be attached to the hardboard that is marked with the letters A or B on them. As you can see, I brought some coins so I can put them on the table to lift the wood up so that they don't get stuck on the table when I spray paint them. I decided to do 3 at a time because it's a bit windy and I didn't want to risk getting any overspray. I used black chalkboard spray paint. So now the first batch is dry and on to the next. I do have to say the coins worked really well and nothing stuck to the paper. Here we're assembling a frame without a miter saw and just doing squared up corners. So before we run our nails through the side, we want to square it off, making sure it's aligned, and once aligned, then we're going to drill relief holes for the nails since we're using pine and we don't want the wood splitting. Make sure it's nice and flush. We're doing 2 pilot holes. And as you can see, we didn't go all the way to the tip because we don't want the paint to scratch. Next, I cut the hardboard to the size I needed. I made sure to spray paint the sides. I used a peel and stick wallpaper that I purchased from Walmart on clearance. At the time I purchased it, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. Later on, I realized it would match my bedroom decor and I definitely needed some wall art. I've discovered that with crafting, it never hurts to keep your eyes open for good deals and store it away for a project you think of later. Now back to the project. The width was what I needed, so all I had to measure was the height. I made sure to wipe down the hardboard a little to make sure the peel and stick wallpaper will stick without needing any glue. It was easy to apply, and as you can see in the video, the bubble at the top was easily smoothed over. Just like we drilled the relief holes for the outside of the frame, we're going to do the same for the back of the frame. Again, we do this so the wood doesn't split. This way we can attach the backing to the frame. We're only going to do the first two and then run the nails through to make sure it attaches, just in case there is any shift in the frame. We did one side at a time. Our frame is almost done. All we need now is to attach the self-leveling picture hanger to the frame. And my project is done, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I have another wall art video I'll be showing soon that's done a little differently with fabric. Thanks for watching. In the meantime, stay tuned next week. In the hutch and china cabinet video, I told you I would show you the other projects I did with the china cabinet. So in next week's video, I will be showing you one of those projects. Until next week, happy crafting!